Okay, so I've noticed that the videos regarding Blender that I post on my channel don't get a lot of interaction. Therefore, I decided to create a separate video just for that. And I will probably do the same for the other softwares, for example, for Fusion. And I will mainly stick over here on 3D comparison with CATIA, since the vast majority of subscribers are interested in CATIA. So if I'm gonna take a look over here on my content channel, we're gonna see the number of views. So for example, regarding Blender, we see that only few of my current subscribers are interested in that. And it's quite the same within other videos. So over here, how to tile textures within Blender, only 13 views, which most of them are probably mine. So at least 4 out of those. So I decided to create a new channel where I will only post Blender videos. The channel will be Blender Journey, so this will be the name of the channel. And I decided to do that because it is quite hard with the current algorithm to get views on my Blender related content. So I will mainly keep 3D comparison for CATIA and maybe some comparison with SolidWorks or Fusion, since I have started a series regarding this. We see over here with Fusion. But let's take a look at the channel. So I initially created this channel mostly for 3D comparisons, which were created within Unreal Engine. So this was 5 years ago. And afterwards, 5 years ago, I also decided to start to create some content regarding CATIA. So we see that these are my most popular CATIA videos. Some of them are 4 years old. And afterwards, I created a lot of content for CATIA, but also other 3D related stuffs over here. On the main channel, I also made multiple playlists. So the playlist regarding CATIA V5 tips and tricks is the largest. So this currently has 154 videos, I think. So we see over here. And I will constantly update this with my newer videos regarding CATIA. So if you are into CATIA, I highly recommend that you're gonna give this a check. You're gonna find a lot of useful tips and tricks. I will also put the Blender Journey channel link, since I created this 3 weeks ago and I have no subscribers. We see that this video was posted actually 24 days and it only has 7 views, out of which I think that the vast majority again are mine. So if you consider to support me and if you also want to learn Blender, I recommend you to check that video, because I will do fast videos, so maybe up to 2 or 3 minutes, packed with various tips and tricks. So that's it. I hope that you enjoy this kind of content, and I will keep 3D comparison mostly for CATIA, since the vast majority of my current subscribers are focused on that. So that's the update. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.